is Akshata Shetty and you're watching Big Aksh. So in today's video, we're going to be seeing what is a common seal and how does it look like. Those who are already pursuing their internship at a PCS firm or a company might be already aware of this, but to all those who are yet to step into their internship, let me just unbox it and explain it to you all. Alright, before moving on to the unboxing, let me brief you about what is a common seal. A common seal is an official signature of the company which can be affixed only with the approval of the board by way of a resolution. Okay? Now, let me just show you how the common seal looks like. Yes, so here comes the common seal box, and this can be ordered from any legal or corporate printers. We usually do that, and from the place where we get these minute sheets, binders, registers, those people only manufacture these common seals also, so you can order from them. One common seal costs around about 1,000 to 1,500. Maybe it differs from cities to cities. Now let me open this for you. Yes, so this is how it looks like. Oh, sorry. One second. Okay, give me a second. Yes. So this is how it appears inside the box. Okay, it almost looks like a big stapler, but it is actually not. Okay, let me just remove this and show it to you in bits and parts. So this is like a supporting machine which can hold this part. This is the main part for us. So here inside this, I don't know if you can see this clearly. Yes. So right here in the corner, the name of the company will be embossed, okay, in the round shape, and inside it will be written as common seal, right? So how will you affix it on a paper? You will just have to press it like this. I will give you a live demo also, don't worry. For that, we're gonna attach back this board. Okay, can you see these two holes here? These two holes, we're gonna place it here between these two lines, okay? Let me just fix it. Ta-da! That's it! We are done, and this is how it looks like. Now we're all set to affix this on a paper. Let me take a piece of paper. Oh guys, do you know one more thing? I used to struggle a lot during my internship days to actually fix this. It was like a playtime for us, okay? So yeah, moving on. We're gonna hold like this, and we are gonna put all our energy into, that's it. I don't know if you all can see this, but you can only feel this common seal, okay? So that is the speciality of this. You won't have any color on this. You can only feel the impression of that, okay? Generally, it is used on the share certificates of the company, and it has to be affixed in front of a managing director or two directors and a company secretary or any other person authorized by the board. And some other quick facts is that it is generally adopted at the first board meeting of the company, and the register of common seal also has to be maintained. Common seal has to be kept in the custody of a company secretary or any other person authorized by the board, and it has to be kept at the registered office of the company or any other office, again authorized by the board. There's a major amendment to the common seal, and I hope all of you are aware of that. Yes, as per the Companies Amendment Act of 2015, common seal is not mandatory. Right? It is only optional, and companies can adopt it if they want to, or else just signatures of the directors will be enough. Right? So this was all about it, and I thought I'll show you the practical side of the company secretary's work also, so that you will know how to use it when you join a firm or a company. And these are very minute things that you should know when you join your internship. Alright, that's it for today. I hope this video was informative. Please do comment down and let me know if you need more such practical videos. Lastly, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.